Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're focusing on an introduction to marketing research and intelligence. If you want to build a foundational understanding and grasp its relevance for managers and researchers, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what marketing research is. Marketing research involves systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data about markets, customers, competitors, and the overall environment. It aims to provide actionable insights that can help in making informed marketing decisions. For example, before launching a new product, marketing research might include surveys, focus groups, and competitive analysis to understand consumer needs and the competitive landscape. Next, let's discuss the role of marketing research in decision-making. Marketing research supports decision-making by providing evidence-based insights. It helps managers reduce uncertainty and make better strategic and tactical decisions. For instance, if a company is considering expanding into a new market, research can identify potential demand, competitive threats, and cultural nuances that could impact success. By relying on solid data, managers can make more informed and less risky decisions. Now, let's explain relationship marketing. Relationship marketing focuses on building long-term relationships with customers rather than just short-term sales. It emphasizes customer satisfaction, loyalty, and engagement. For example, companies use loyalty programs, personalized communication, and excellent customer service to foster stronger connections with their customers. The goal is to create a loyal customer base that repeatedly chooses your brand over competitors. Next, let's dive into decision-making models. Decision-making models are frameworks that guide how decisions are made in an organization. They help structure the process, ensuring that all relevant factors are considered. Common models include the SWOT analysis, the Ansoff Matrix, and the 4 Ps of marketing. These models provide a systematic approach to evaluating options and making strategic choices. Finally, let's examine marketing research versus marketing intelligence. While both are critical, they serve different purposes. Marketing research focuses on specific issues at a particular point in time, like understanding customer preferences or evaluating a new product concept. Marketing intelligence, on the other hand, involves ongoing collection and analysis of data about the broader market environment, including competitors, market trends, and technological changes. Think of marketing research as answering specific questions, whereas marketing intelligence provides a continuous flow of information to inform strategic decisions. By mastering these fundamental aspects of marketing research and intelligence, you'll be equipped to support better business decisions and strategic planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.